All right, 390 Wagon Master here with another patented Wagon Master unboxing. So let's get to it. For this project, we've got the Rife Knife, which I believe is overkill for this particular job. But I got a new blade in there, so I might as well flex it. This thing's deadly sharp. Okay, so I thought I knew what this was, but now that I've been shaking it around, I'm not really sure what this is. I'm expecting a radio from RETEVIS, but we'll see what it is. Oh, I'm getting billed for it. Lovely. Oh, okay, that's what it is. So, I know I've been taking some flack, some grief for doing this stuff with RETEVIS. They're like, hey, man, you're with President. Why are you doing these RETEVIS radios? Well, for one reason is that they're pretty darn good. Every one that I've checked out has been amazingly good. And I originally took the first RETEVIS in to show everybody what a piece of crap these things are. I thought, well, you know, they're going to send me something, they want me to do a video on it, and ha ha ha, we'll show them. Yeah, well, that's kind of not how it's been. So another thing I like is, even though these are certified for US sales, oh, this is kind of cool. So I haven't seen this radio. They just said we got a new MB4 coming out. Can we send it to you? And I knew about these coming out about 2 months ago, and they had me on the list like right back then. So anyway, it was kind of a joke. I mean, I didn't really expect these to be decent. But anyway, even though they're certified for legal U.S. sales, most all of these, every one that I've come across, has been modifiable. So yes, they're just AM, FM, but not everybody wants or needs a single sideband radio. I get that a lot too. Hey, Wagon Master, it'd be nice if they did that in sideband. Well, they kind of don't really, you know, you don't have to have the sideband market. Okay, so as we're unboxing it, we got a little bit of heatsink action. I'm not sure if this is for the AM regulator. They're usually over here on these, over here, or for the final, which is cool. SO239, external speaker only, which is interesting because I'm used to, you know, custom. It's customary to have a PA on these, but look at this. This is rather ICOM-ish looking. Oh, that's a pretty cool knob. Okay, so we have a 6-pin mic jack, the proper style mic jack. We have an LCD screen here, and it's got the protective peel over there, which I try to leave on. We do have a mode and PA, so I'm going to assume that the PA still functions out of the external speaker. So if they doubled up and made it kind of like a 2-for-1, then that's like really cool. It'll have noise reduction, noise blanker, dim, scan, menu, memories, and emergency, and then anyway, multiple functions. On-off knob that feels good. Wow. So just for giggles, last time I was at a truck stop, I checked out some of the new Cobra radios and you know, gave them the old field test, and those things, in my opinion, are junk. The President has a better feel to them. That's one reason why I really dig the President radios. No matter like top or bottom of the line, you get a good, solid feeling rig, right? This is the same way. This has come a long ways. Good looking knob. I like these knobs. These are cool. These are very ICOM-ish, Yaesu-ish looking. More ICOM-ish, actually. So that has a really good feel to it. The squelch has a good feel. These are things that I, you know, that I look for. Okay, so is that, it's rubberized. I'm not really sure what that is. Anyway, I probably should read the instructions. So standard width it looks like, but not very deep. This is certified. It looks like it does have an FCC number on it, and very plain Jane, but I don't care. A good quality bracket that has been powder coated and it's thick. That's impressive. All right, one last thing. So stay tuned for the video where I actually there we go. You car audio guys will know what this is. This is a DIN can. This looks kind of like a Pioneer can knockoff, right? So this is a DIN sleeve. We in the business call it a can. And what that's for is that's so you can put it in dash on some of the Japanese cars and slide her in. Dude, that is sweet. Okay, a seriously true DIN radio. Seriously true DIN radio. So if you have a Toyota, a Nissan with a double DIN opening, you know how you have the car stereo up on top and then maybe like an empty pocket, like a accessories pocket down below. That's it. For some of you European guys that don't, or just guys in general, folks in general, that there's got to be a little catch release on here some way. Oh, wow, look at this. They even have like a key opening here for what we used to call keys. Anyway, you could replace your car stereo with that. And here's a set of keys. That is well thought out, guys. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I mean, this is awesome. Okay, well, we'll need 2 keys. I'm not going to cheat here. You can generally do it that way. So some companies like you to have the keys like this. I haven't read the instructions, so we'll see. And they should just, yeah, it'll just come out like that. So here's where it snaps. And see, it's engineered to snap right in here. So, oh my gosh, this is so cool. So what it is this little latch, it's not spring loaded, it's just bent in there, okay? And then that keys into here and goes like this, and it just snaps in. So this thing is mounted. That's some no BS action going on there. The knobs, the look, the front firing speaker, I dig that. The solid feel of these controls. And of course, that's not a J45 plug. You have a real honest to goodness microphonium plug. And that's the standard Anytone type thing. It's probably an Anytone radio, but I don't care. There's only one thing that I can see right now that I don't like, but out of all these positives, nobody cares. I don't like hardwired power receptacles or power inputs, power plugs. I don't like hardwired stuff. I prefer a 3-pin Uniden type plug. Or even a 2-pin. I mean, I don't care, but that's the preferred technique. This would work as well. But seriously, that's it. So stay tuned for my review on this. But I mean, I'm here to tell you guys, so far I'm impressed. That's cool beans.